Are you looking for the best blenders for green smoothies in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best blenders for green smoothies. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Ninja Mega 1500W blender for green smoothies. The Ninja Mega 1500W blender for green smoothies is a worth considering blender with an impressive power of 1500 watts. This device can mix your fruits and vegetables while still keeping their skins or their seeds, bringing the healthiest and the most nutritious green smoothies for your family. Notably, this appliance is effortless to use. You can start to blend your favorite ingredients with only one touch. It's a versatile piece of equipment that makes not only healthy smoothies but also other blender recipes like soups or purees. This blender can make crushed ice that is essential for your refreshing drinks. Besides, it has an elegant design and a matte finish, which gives a beautiful and luxurious touch to any kitchen room. Its suction cup provides great stability. Moving on at number 4. We have the Cleanblend Commercial Blender for Green Smoothies. Cleanblend Commercial Blender for Green Smoothies is one of the best blenders for making smoothies. It is indeed powerful, which is enough to pulverize ice, berry seeds, or even pieces of stringy ginger and obtain a smooth consistency. The tapered shape of the container pulls the ingredients down to the blades, and the pestle pops any air bubbles. Therefore, you spend less time preparing your smoothie and more time enjoying it. We also found this machine to be more rugged than other models, so it should last for many years. But if anything goes wrong, this Cleanblend model is backed by a 5-year warranty, with responsive customer service and a quick complaints process. One of the minuses of this machine is its high price. However, when you think about it, if you pay $4 to $12 for a smoothie and a juice bar, 5 days a week, in 2 to 4 months, you will have spent as much as for this blender. I do think this is a worthy purchase to invest in. At number 3, we have the Ninja 1000 Watt Base Blender for Green Smoothies. Are you looking for an affordably priced product? You might be interested in Ninja 1000 Watt Base Blender for Green Smoothies. This blender is low cost and lightweight. However, it has a powerful 1000 watt motor that can quickly crush frozen ice and fruit. It has a BPA-free, dishwasher-friendly container with a large liquid capacity of 64 ounces. Furthermore, it comes with a sturdy 6-blade assembly, along with a simple interface with pulse, low, medium, and high pulse options. This BL610 model has a streamlined design that is attractive and works well with rocks but is also quite large and requires a smooth blend. However, I have to admit that the jar is not as durable as we expect. It can be easily cracked and leak with heavy use. Not to mention, sharp blades can be difficult to clean and may become dull when mixing ice. However, you shouldn't worry too much since Ninja offers a basic 1-year warranty. At number 2, we have the Blendtec Classic Blender for Green Smoothies. Blendtec Total Classic is a product line designed for use in restaurants and cafes with powerful power and high-performance motor. With Blendtec Total Classic Blender, you can make perfectly smooth green smoothies, yogurt, or frappuccino, but it is just the beginning of what you can do with this Blendtec blender. It also comes with a thick recipe book. Therefore, you can easily make healthy dishes such as salad, nut milk, soups, peanut butter, etc. for your loved ones. One feature that makes this appliance stand out is the Blendtec blender control panel with its different blend modes. Simply press a button, then watch this device do the rest. The machine will automatically turn off when the program is completed. You can manually adjust the speed with the pulse button, stuffing, and 2-button speed up, decelerate, speed up, speed down. This blender has 10 different grinding speeds. Furthermore, below the control panel is an LCD display that shows how long it takes to blend. This feature is extremely useful for people with hectic schedule to estimate the needed time. Moreover, this machine will let you know how long you have milled if you manually adjust the speed. In addition, The LCD screen can be used to show the total number of times you have used this machine. And finally at number 1. We have the Vitamix E310 blender for green smoothies. The Vitamix E310 does not have Bluetooth or NFC technology. What it has are a powerful Vitamix engine and 10 variable speeds. With this feature, you can get the exact texture you desire for your Campbell-inspired soup recipes, smoothies, or purees. The Vitamix E310 blender has a number of subtle styling updates over the Classic series. It is very close to the Classic C-Series 5200 design, but it has some of the side accents that Vitamix introduces for the Ascent line. The new models have smooth straight bodies, while the Ascent and Explorian series have curved bezels on the sides. Furthermore, with 4.5 feet cord, you can take it wherever you want in the kitchen without worry about the power supply. Not to mention, with the self-cleaning function, it is effortless to clean the machine up. All you need is filling the container with warm water and a drop of detergent. This Vitamix E310 blender will clean itself within 30 to 60 seconds. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.